I know, right? I like how it swivels around.
Break it all the way down to the heart.
Hey, senior, wave to the camera. Oh my gosh.
We are nearing the
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry.
one of the very few areas in Southern California.
Yeah. It's like being on a ride, but kind of not.
Red and yellow green stuff on top.
Biking.
Oh my gosh, right?
In the mountain station, you'll discover the Tram restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views in the West. A cockpit.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's like Grand Theft Auto kind of. Remember that level? That one part of the map?
It's funny now, when you look down, like you see down there in the parking lot over there, when you looked up, you couldn't see any of this.
Yeah. From a distance, there is harmony. Oh my gosh.
Top of the world, huh?
I don't want to even think about that right now. Woo. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Watch your balance, we will off the side. Welcome to the Mount Station.